other.
This could be the room of any small boy, but it happens to belong to Christopher Robin. Like most small boys, Christopher Robin has many stuffed animal friends. Now his best friend is a certain little bear, and together they had many remarkable adventures in an enchanted place called the 100-Acre Wood.
Once each year, as October breezes bluster, there comes a most particular and most peculiar night. An anxious sort of night, when the dark grows a little more so. A jittery sort of night, when nothing is quite as it was. A night called Halloween.